Okay, working groups, and Maria will help Chris, Eduard, and
We do the other problem
It means
with the mango.
the first thing you have to do as a group is to choose a name. Choose a name for your company. Choose a name for your company. Imagine it's a creative design and advertising company. So you have to do advertisement for the TV or spots for the radio or make a posters for the innovation public health system. The heart attack, okay.
Is produced for a blockage in a coronary arteries.
Hypertension can be caused by high blood pressure.
those plaques in the arteries. These plaques block the blood and don't permit oxygen arrive to all the cells.
Dyspnea. Sometimes the heart muscle is not getting enough blood.
Pulmonary embolism is caused by a tumor developed in situ or another material from the venous system.
Our company name is C&B Health. C&B means calories.
Okay, right?
The problem that we chosen is angina pectoris.
Angina pectoris, very interesting.
Angina pectoris is a pain in the chest, but it's a special kind of pain associated with the heart.
Company name?
Company name
Okay,
is Folio.
very well.
Hemorrhoids are slow and inflamed veins in your anus and lower rectum. People with cardiopathy has more probabilities to have tachycardia than people that doesn't have. The causes of this illness is oxygen insufficient, stress.
Make a healthy, balanced, low fat and high fiber diet. 2.
The myocardial infarction is also known heart attack. Occurs when blood flow stops to a part of the heart, causing damage to the heart muscle.
Can be these different causes of alcohol abuse, of diabetes, drug abuse, excessive coffee.
The slogan the group is good and good.
The atherosclerosis develops plaques in the arteries, and these plaques block the blood and don't permit the oxygen arrive to all the cells.
And the name of the company is Apple Health, and the slogan is making lifestyle change. And the
Hemorrhagic hemorrhoids, also called PINES, are showing an inflamed veins in your anus and lower